Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna guide you how to use Visa Navigator for your visa to the Republic of Korea. I mean to South Korea. Okay. So this is an official site and tool where you can put some basic information and find out, like, for the purpose you have in order to go to Korea, what kind of visa you can apply and how. So that's what we are gonna see. So let's say we select here. Let's say we navigate Americas. Let's say you are from Canada, you are a Canadian citizen, you apply Canada, and here you select the purpose, why you want to go there. You have all these options. I select short term visit, length of stay, let's say 90 days or less, and I click. So this is either like status of stay, tourist transit, B21, a citizen of Canada can visit Korea without a visa for 6 months for short term visit purpose to transit, etc. Those who intend to engage in any type of lucrative activities or employment should obtain an appropriate visa. Okay, if I make it to this 91, then working holiday. Okay, now if I make it permanent residence, what's gonna come? Oh, that is altogether different process. Okay, now I go to Asia. Let's see for some other country, and if I search for India, short term. Okay, you can be visa exempted if you have diplomatic passport, tourist general. So in this you can travel or transit to Korea without a visa, and you can stay up to 30 days, but there are some conditions. You need to have visa for these countries, then only. So you have all these options, like, and then at the end you have ordinary tourist. If you click on it, for example, it's going to show you how you can apply and the process. That's how simple it is, guys, and this is going to give you accurate information. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.